Hello and welcome to the EasyMig Web Builder training. This is part 4 of the Quick Start training guide. In this training, we're going to go through how to take your website out of live mode and then put it in the draft mode so that you can begin building your content blocks inside your website so that your website is not live. So when you initially come into your website, it is in live mode. So what you want to do is put this in draft mode. So what you will do is on the navigation on the left hand side, you're going to come down to where the 3 dots are. You're going to select it and then you're going to toggle off live and you're going to make it not published. Once you put it not published, it's no longer live, and any changes that you make inside your web builder no longer will be available to the public. So this has been a training on how to take your website outside of the live mode and putting it into the not published mode. So this has been your quick start guide for EasyMigWebBuilder.com.